What is up, folks? We are here at Inkbox again, obviously, because you're here. We are here today with the one and only, the special, the great, the hilarious, the talented.
KayRay.
Waiting for it. If you're a true OG fan, if you're one of our day ones, you know that we've done a video before.
We have done one.
It was, I believe it was recreating celebrity tattoos.
Yeah, recreating bad
celebrity tattoos. Yeah, and in similar fashion, we are kind of doing the same thing today in a way, in terms of bad tattoos.
This is all his idea, by the way.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Yep. That's what they call me in for.
Hey, I have a really bad idea. Can you come in? If you're wondering what this beautiful cube is,
it took a while for him to make.
Yeah, it literally did, which is the sad part. We have a cube with a bunch of different designs on it. 3 of these designs are just good.
They're good.
They're good.
Yeah.
We wouldn't mind having them on our skin.
Yeah.
And 3 of them are just not good.
Yeah, yeah.
So we got this first one. It's a cat, snake.
It's a snake cat.
Cat snake.
Hand puppet snake cat.
A snap. A cake.
That's a snake cake. That's good.
Yes, yum. Ew, okay. We found it because you don't like cats.
No, I don't, and I don't like snake
Especially
cats.
this is the worst kind of cat. This is a cake. Cake is the worst kind of cat. So we got that one, whatever the hell that is. We got I Suck.
He wrote this out himself.
I wrote this out myself.
Not chased at all.
No. No. In Comic Sans, and that's the other bad one.
That's actually how he writes.
That's my default writing. Is just Comic Sans. And the last bad one, of course, is Live, Laugh, Love.
We all know why.
Because we don't need to go. We don't need to get into that. And we got the good ones: the Rose, yes. Classic, Anchor, Cute, and the Sun. So those are the options. So we're gonna each toss it up, see what we get, and then the other person's gonna give them that tattoo with the brand new transfer paper. This is the world. I can't even say it because I'm so excited. You can get anything, any drawing. You throw this over it, and then you trace it, and then you put it on your skin. It's so much easier to put on your skin. You can be a Picasso if you want.
Yeah, you're just an artist.
You're just an artist. That's the new slogan for it. Transfer paper. You're just an artist. So who's gonna go first? I'll throw it first.
You throw it first. Yeah. I just want to see what happens. No, you did not get the sun!
I got the sun! Nice!
That's nice, but I wanted it! Oh no! That is horrific!
I suck.
Oh.
That sucks.
That sucks. Yeah, that would be my luck.
Now we're gonna put it on your skin, I guess.
Can we just toss for each other? That's what
nope.
it was. No. That's alright.
So you just gotta leave that on for an hour and then wash it off, and it'll be there for 8 to 18 days.
Awesome.
Look at that. Wow.
I freehanded that.
See how easy it is? All right, well that was that. Thanks for tuning in, folks. You can grab the transfer paper for 3 easy payments. Just kidding, just 1 payment. But that's available now. It's fun. You can make some sweet designs out of whatever you want. As always, smash the dang like button like your life depends on it. Press subscribe because we make spicy content all the time.
Spice.
And follow, subscribe to KayRay. She does so many amazing things. Some videos, podcasts, she does it all.
And follow Kurtis, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sweet.
He's great too. He does things too.
We both don't suck.
Don't suck.
That's what we want you to get from this video.
Yeah.
We will see you soon.
See you next year. Or tomorrow.
Or tomorrow.
We don't
Sometime. See ya.
Bye.